This house is an absolute pigsty and we don't even have a pet pig. Come with me and I'm going to show you how I do a daily marathon tidy. Are you done? One moment. As you can see, living with this many animals results in some kind of catastrophe most moments of the day. You turn your camera on to start filming and the dogs start yelling at one another. Anyway, another thing that they also create is an awful lot of clutter and mess. It doesn't seem to matter what you do to try to avert it. I'm living in this house, a lot of animals are living in this house, and so stuff's going to happen. We are not statues sitting happily in the corner of the living room. Stuff gets moved around, stuff gets taken out, stuff gets used, and it doesn't necessarily get put away, particularly if you have a puppy and a basket full of toys. So I am going to take you through my signature marathon tidy. It doesn't matter whether you have got a house full of animals, a house full of children or teenagers. Anyone who's living in a house where clutter just starts to creep in can use this method. It is brilliant if you just need to do a quick tidy up at the end of the day. It's also brilliant if you get a sudden phone call and have your stepmother or mother-in-law about to turn up on your doorstep. All you're going to need to do with this is a basket. Any basket will do, just needs to be a big one. I'm using my washing basket today and we're going to go and show you how it's done. Come with me. As you can see, this house is far from clean and tidy. We have bits and bobs all over the floor. We have a random Ziggy cat lurking behind the laundry basket. Hey Ziggs! If you come into the bedroom, we have filming equipment. We have a random assortment of things all over the bed. Into the living room, we have some silly schnauzers playing. We have a Christmas tree. Don't even talk to me about why the Christmas tree is still sitting here. We have some random assorted cats, more filming equipment. Into the kitchen, bits and pieces that I probably should have put away last night. And through into the living room again, we have cat toys from the little monsters that have been playing. So the first step is I am going to collect all the junk that is lurking somewhere that it shouldn't be. All I'm doing is a really quick surface tidy and I'm picking up everything that is sitting somewhere that it shouldn't be. I'm not trying to sort these things, I'm not trying to put anything away, I'm simply removing each item that's sitting somewhere that it shouldn't be and I'm popping it straight into my laundry basket. This first step is really key. It's the one that really makes a difference to the way that your space looks. By whipping around with your laundry basket and grabbing everything that's somewhere that it shouldn't be, you will suddenly transform your house from a relative pigsty, in the case of mine, to something which is absolutely ready for visitors to pop through the door. So even if you don't go any further than this step and just pop the laundry basket in a room hidden away so no one can see it, your visitors will be immediately impressed that you've got such a lovely, clear home. Step 2, I'm now going to sort everything that's in my basket into categories. I find the easiest thing to do is to sort by room. So put all the kitchen things together, put all of the lounge room things together, put all of the bedroom things together, and so on and so forth. Step 3, this is an optional extra, remove the horse from the house. Jamie, what are you doing? Seriously, get out of the house. Jamie, get out. 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 Jamie's not getting out. Jamie. Step 4, I'm now going to put absolutely everything back. So what I do is I take each category and pop that back into the laundry basket. So the category I'm starting with at the moment is the lounge room. So I've popped all the random items that were in my lounge category into the basket and I'm going and popping it back where it belongs. Next up is a corner that doesn't really have a name, it's just a cabinet where I put animal related things. So again, I'm going through, having a bit of a sort out, and I am popping away the things that belong in this particular cabinet. As I was doing this, I discovered quite a few things that actually don't belong in the house. So what I've done is I've created a new pile of things that need to go up to our animal rescue centre. And I'm going to take those out of the house and put them away. Finally, we have the laundry. I am just going to put a few last little bits and pieces away in here, and you'll also see me giving it a wee bit of a spray and wipe as we go along, as I found a few little messy areas in this particular closet while I was working in there. And that is pretty much it, my marathon tidy. It's a really simple solution. The key really is to work in categories. Plonk everything that doesn't belong somewhere in a laundry basket, sort it into categories, and then take each category back to the room that it belongs in. It's as simple as that. That's today. I'll see you back here tomorrow.